favor for one of my friends, and I worked a shift over here on July 11th. And one of the baristas that's currently here right now, he grabbed my phone and he sent himself my credit card information and explicit videos of me and my partner. And I didn't notice till 2 days ago when I cleared out through my deleted messages and I saw himself sending himself the information. I can show you the messages.
Okay. And we checked with her friend that still works here to see if it's his phone.
And I'm sorry about the videos.
No.
786-306-6060.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
No.
Something?
Oh, right there. Look. Sorry, I saved the number after the whole thing happened. But that's everything. And then that's my credit card information. And that's himself.
Okay, so that's your credit card?
Yeah.
And he sent them to himself?
Yeah.
Himself? And she has charges. So the credit card. Two. You do?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have those charges? You said he's right there now? Yeah, he's working right there. What's his name?
Benjamin Alvarez. My roommate is a shift supervisor here, and she spoke to the manager, and they're building a case right now for him to get fired, basically, because he does have like previous history of doing this to somebody else, but I guess they never fired him the first time.
Okay, so when did this happen?
This happened July 11th. At the time, I just moved out recently, so I was working a lot of hours to make like money to move out, and I really after I clocked out that day, I didn't pay any mind to it until I cleaned up my phone recently and I saw the.
Okay, where did he get the phone from? Where did you have the phone at?
The night that happened, I was working at the store and we were making conversation, and he asked me what my birthday was, and I had left my phone charging in the back.
In the back of the store?
Yeah, in the back of the store next to the computer on the left. There's a plug and I left it right there. And then later on, a barista made a comment to me. He was like, oh, he has a record of doing this in the past. And then I noticed my phone wasn't there. Obviously, I was finishing up closing and I was a shift supervisor, so I wasn't paying attention to my phone. I just left it charging. And then later on in the night when I did come back to it, it was there. So I didn't think anything of it. And then I clocked out and I just went to sleep because it was a late night closing shift.
Okay. Was the phone locked or how did he?
It was locked with my birthday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so he asked you for the birthday and then that's what. Okay.
I'm assuming he took it to the bathroom because it was a very short amount of time, but I'm assuming my phone was gone. I don't remember it being gone for that long. Like I came back to it like an hour later and it was there, so I don't think he had it for that long, but when he did have it, I guess he took it to the bathroom and sent himself the information. I'm not sure.
Oh, so the credit card.
Yeah.
How much did they charge?
It's been since July 11th, and my credit card was locked for a small amount of time in between. There's a couple charges that I don't recognize. There's cash advances, and I maxed it out recently moving out, so that's why he hasn't been able to use it because I've had it maxed out and I haven't paid it.
So which one are you calling there?
These three, I don't recognize. 3 square charges.
This 3?
Yeah. And I don't know what he's done with those videos that he has. He's had them for that long, and I hadn't noticed, and they were in my hidden folder on my phone, so.
So how did it go? You had your...
Yeah, it's unlocked by your password too.
Alright, was your brother as well?
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah,
so much
that's all I know.
That you don't recognize on your part.
Yeah. I'm not sure if he did anymore. I haven't called my bank. I locked the card, but I've been working and going to school, so I haven't been able to call and see. But I'm not worried about the credit card charges. I'm more worried about the videos and that he did that so easily and so comfortably. Like, it's just wrong to me. And like the fact that I just noticed, you know.
Okay, that was about it, right? He didn't do anything on the phone that you don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
On September 4th, 2024, Florida officers responded to a Starbucks after a coworker stole intimate videos and credit card data from a former employee's locked phone. The suspect denied everything. He was still on shift when police arrived. What prevented this case from dying at denial was the digital trail the victim preserved. Before officers showed up, screenshots of deleted message logs linking Alvarez's number directly to the outgoing transfer from her device. The access was not accidental. Alvarez asked for her birthday during small talk, used it as her passcode, then navigated past a second password into a hidden folder. That two-step entry establishes premeditation, not opportunism.
Benjamin by any chance? You asked him to come out? Yeah, are you good? Everything good? Bring yourself? Come on here.
some pictures, videos. Alright. So why is your phone number on somebody else's phone? So
Not sure.
you don't have no videos of somebody patient's nothing. Alright. You don't have nothing.
I don't know.
Were you working that day? July 11?
I think so.
Do you mind if I see the phone or?
I mean, sure, but I'm not sure.
You're not sure what?
Like you want to go through my phone now?
Yeah, because somebody's saying that you got somebody's phone and sent yourself some videos and pictures.
I'm not sure. Like I didn't do that.
You didn't do that.
No.
Okay, so if I set the cameras now, it's not be you sending something for.
Why did you ask somebody for their birthday?
I don't know. Maybe for small talk.
Have you ever had a problem with the Starbucks saying that you're going through some stuff? No, so talk to management, they're gonna say you've never had issues with that.
Yeah,
You want people's phone. Would you want someone to go through your phone? You seem a little nervous. Why are you nervous?
Sorry?
You seem a little nervous. Why are you nervous?
Just because you're getting stopped at work.
Stop going to get phone.
that's for you're gonna get in trouble.
Sorry?
You're gonna get in trouble.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
And that's illegal. And I'm not saying that it was you, but your phone number is there.
Okay.
Alright? And that person, the pictures that you sent to yourself, or first of all, a credit card.
What?
A credit card. Alright?
Okay.
That somebody's been using it.
Okay.
Alright? That's illegal. And a split of videos. That's also illegal. Alright? So just letting you know. Alright? You're saying that you have nothing, that it wasn't you.
I don't have that.
Alright. What's your name?
Benjamin Alvarez. Yeah.
Just so you're aware, not saying that you did it. Just so you're aware, when you use someone else's car at any location, right? Detectives can watch cameras at that location to see who used that car at that time. Just so you're aware. You did it.
So, yeah, that's a phone number I found from that person's phone. So how did those videos get to you? And you don't have that phone number on your phone?
No, I don't.
You deleted that message?
I'm not sure what the phone number is.
I mean, it's a credit card.
Yeah.
Picture with a space of videos. Quality side. So, you don't have those messages on your phone anymore.
I don't.
You good, alright?
Sorry?
You good?
I can go.
Yeah, you good.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. What's the name?
The name, or you want me to grab it?
Yeah, so come on. Yeah. You alright? It's way over there, man. Alright, so have you guys had problems with this person? Him going through somebody else's phone before, or that you're aware of?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm aware. Yeah.
Do you know if by any chance there's cameras where that?
This building?
Yeah, where the phone was in the back charging.
Correct.
There's cameras. You know, if by any chance on July 11 they will have it.
That exact date?
Yeah,
I'm sure they would.
they will.
I'm sure they would. Because
Who
who
would have access to that? You or?
not me. Probably be the SM, the store manager, or the district.
Yeah. Don't worry, we got it. Okay, store money, right?
Yes, this is the store manager.
So you guys said that you guys have photos with him doing the same thing?
I have heard. I was not there.
You were not there. Oh, but you guys heard.
Yeah, at least what? Different. Yeah.
So, wait, I'm sorry, what was that?
Like different, like two different instances.
Alright. But you weren't here when that happened.
Yeah.
Do you know if you guys are doing an internal investigation or something?
I know that there was one open. I don't know if it's resolved or closed, but I know for sure that someone had like made a formal complaint.
Okay. Well,
There's been something with and some other partners that were here.
All right, man. So what they're gonna do now is we're gonna go try to make contact with him to see if he was the person.
Okay.
Because we're going based on assumptions, you know,
Yeah, obviously.
or whatnot. We don't have anybody that says you didn't witness it,
Yeah.
or there's nobody that says, hey, I saw him, he does that.
Yeah.
You know, that's just a report that he has. Okay. So as far as your credit card and the fraudulent things that's going on, you already reported to your bank, right? And you're in the process of.
Yeah, I canceled it and I'm
You
reporting it
submitted
to
a
my
claim
bank. Yeah.
to now as to the video, that's where we're trying to figure out to see it.
There's a 49
Actually says,
alarm.
hey, it was
It's a
me.
general
You know?
fire alarm.
We'll see. We'll go from there.
It'll be in
Okay, just be
10051
aware of mindful, like whatever you guys do or whatever you guys do.
Porter
It could always get in the hands of the wrong person.
Security.
And once it's out in the internet, there's nothing that we could do to bring it back.
Yeah, obviously.
It's already out. You know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what the officers, you know, if they're able to get him to say, hey, it was me. If he says, hey, it wasn't me, there's pretty much nothing that we could do about it.
633.
File a police report about it too, to check.
So what?
Report to check the cameras. Because they have this on the camera.
So how long are those cameras there? How long? 'Cause you
Corporate
said-
has access to the cameras.
Okay.
So you have to like email them for.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a.
Did you guys file a complaint with corporate already with Starbucks?
Yeah.
And what are they telling you?
Yeah, they're fighting.
They're investigating this internally, and there's.
Yeah, he has a track record of doing this before.
Okay. All right. So I mean, police report we are. So you are reporting it right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna write something. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we're just trying to brush you off. Hey, with this, you know.
But if he says he isn't, you guys can't.
We can't force them to like. If you tell me, hey, it wasn't me, I can't force you to be like, yeah, hey, you need to tell me it was you. You get me? Because now I'm violating his rights. You get me? At that point, if he, says, hey, it wasn't me, but who never knows? Maybe he says, yeah, it was me. So at that point, we have something going on. All right. And if he confesses that, hey, yeah, I did get her phone. He did without your consent. He made, went into your phone and did all those things. So then there's something there. Okay. And if you want to press charges, any criminal charges, we'll go ahead and move forward with that. All right. So how many videos was it? One or was it like?
No.
It was like four
videos.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And they were explicit videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, no problem. Is that him?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you're able to identify that. And you said your phone was by the drive-through cashier.
No.
Charging?
In the back.
In the back.
Yeah,
Okay.
next to the computer on the left side.
So there's like an employee
yeah.
area. Okay.
But I don't know, I'm not sure if there's cameras pointing towards it, but there's cameras around there.
Is there cameras there specifically, or that
not
you're aware?
sure.
Okay.
I worked there like 3-4 times. I'm not.
Because you're not part of this.
Yeah, no, I used to work at the other store.
Okay. You don't work for Starbucks anymore.
No, not anymore.
Okay. And what is Starbucks telling you as in regards to this incident?
I mean, they have all the proof and they have the other statement from the other barista who saw my phone was missing as well.
Okay. And what did they tell you?
They're probably gonna go ahead and fire him.
They're gonna fire him?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you just want the videos not to get.
I don't think it's correct that he did that so easily, so comfortably, and that I hadn't noticed till now. And if I would have noticed, what would have happened?
You would have reported it.
Yeah.
Did you come here earlier today or not? No. And how is it that you know it was him?
Because my roommate is a shift supervisor at the Starbucks. I was doing a favor for her. I was covering her shift because she was sick.
Okay.
And she confirmed his phone number in front of me.
Okay. So.
Yeah. They're on a WhatsApp group chat together. Like it's.
So if you put his number, you could be able to see his picture on WhatsApp.
Literally.
Can you show me that?
Yeah, of course. I have all the screenshots. This is his WhatsApp. This is his phone number and his WhatsApp profile open. Him and his girlfriend.
And that's the number that's on the.
Yep, that's the phone number that's on the text as well.
On the text that was sent.
Yeah.
From your phone.
Yeah.
To that number. And nobody else has access to that phone. Or. that you know of?
No idea. I don't know. I don't know.
No, I'm saying, but like nobody else in there should have access to your phone.
No,
You get me?
nobody. He asked me for my birthday that day. Coincidentally, it is a password to my phone. We were making like regular
talk.
conversation, over the headset because we have headsets. And I was generally just talking to him, and honestly, I didn't pay him because I was closing up the store, and I was just making conversation. But obviously, one thing led to the other.
Okay. And your birthday's July 11th.
No,
What is it?
I changed it just recently because of what happened.
Okay, so but it was incident happened July 11th.
Yeah, the
That's
incident.
why I'm getting confused. Okay, so we're in September 4th.
He's one of the shift supervisors that's worked there kind of like the longest, so he
This
might
guy?
know. Yeah, he might know.
Yeah,
better
because
than
so far
anybody
just
else.
looking around on that, don't want.
Yeah.
Track record. And this did happen in this, just to confirm it happened. in
Yeah,
this. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what your guys' policy is with the whole situation because this is supposedly the second time. Yeah, allegedly, that this is happening. I would let the highest management know.
Okay.
If you did do it to her, we just say he's going to do it to someone else. He's a nice person, so that's a hostile work environment.
Because he asked me to leave, and I'm like, I don't. Cause he like burned his foot just now with like some mop solution, so it's like swollen. I don't know.
He's gonna send you the link. Upload anything that you think will be of any value for this case. Okay.
Okay.
Don't send the videos, explicit videos or whatnot.
No, yeah.
Just anything that you think might help us to link him.
So,
Of course. So they went inside. They spoke to him. Obviously, he's gonna deny everything. However, we are gonna investigate the fraudulent transactions that happened in your credit card. Just like I told you earlier, call your bank. Okay. Now, as far as the video, they're also going to investigate that as well. Okay, because it is a crime. What happened? Okay. They did get the information of Starbucks, so all this will be forwarded to the detective, which will be assigned to the case, and they'll look into it.
okay.
All right. So for now, just if you get anything new or you have anything else happens, just call us and let us know. All right. I hope that by us speaking to him, that he probably changes his train of thoughts if it's him.
It is.
Huh?
It was like he seemed suspicious.
I mean, let's say if we suspect, I can't say it's him because we don't know.
Yeah.
But let's say if it was him, by us talking to him, hopefully he has a change of heart and
All
the
right.
videos don't go anywhere. Or they just got deleted. Alright? But not saying it was him. Alright?
What a day!
Complicated day, right?
What a day! I went to class,
Been busy today?
learning about physics.
Yeah?
I mean about particles.
Why?
Because I'm an engineering major,
Oh, no way.
and
It's good.
and then
You like it here or not?
no.
Hey, if you don't mind me asking, how many videos were there? 4.
When were you deleting your folder?
Sorry?
When was it that you were deleting the folder?
Recovering my deleted message?
Yeah.
Like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
So you'll say what, September 2nd?
Yeah. Like this Sunday.
Do they have lockbox containers here? Like while you're working, like your phones?
It's just like the back room with the table and the picture hooks for the bags and stuff. It's not. Also, my phone was out in the open. My phone was-
I recommend for the future just try to always keep your belongings near you or in your sight because I mean you should feel comfortable leaving it where you want to leave it, though.
Yeah,
You know, run into some issues.
of course.
Are you going back to work or no? Are you going back in?
I don't think.
Oh, yeah, just one of the judges.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have 4 videos on all this.
I haven't called my bank for them to make an investigation. I just locked my credit card.
Yeah, so I would suggest you do that.
Is there unlimited time on the link for the?
So, oh yeah, let's do that now. Like I said, you don't have to send the videos. Just
But I get a couple days.
Okay, the credit card thing.
I'll check if it's
Yeah.
When you get home, just kind of see what you
Yeah,
want to
I'll do
send.
that as fast as possible.
And just
Under the Stored Communications Act, Title 18 United States Code Section 2701, accessing stored electronic communications without authorization is a federal crime. The engineering of that passcode matters. Florida Statute Section 784.049. The Sexual Cyber Harassment Statute does not require public distribution. Forwarding intimate content, to your own device without consent is sufficient to trigger criminal liability. The credit card data runs on a separate charge track. Florida Statute Section 817.61 covers fraudulent use of another person's credit card. 3 unrecognized transactions is evidence, not ambiguity. Officers requested voluntary phone access. Alvarez declined. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, 412, United States 218, a warrantless search requires genuinely voluntary consent and coercion voids it entirely. Riley versus California, 573 United States 373, goes further. Police cannot search a cell phone incident to arrest without a warrant. Patrol-level pressure on a refusal creates suppression risk. Officers accepted the refusal and correctly routed the case to detectives. With authority, that is the right call. Patrol found the ceiling and handed off before hitting it. Management confirmed on camera that a prior complaint existed against Alvarez for the same conduct. Florida Statute Section 90.404, subsection 2, allows prior similar acts to prove motive, pattern, and absence of mistake. 1 complaint is a claim, 2 is a pattern. That shift in how the evidence reads is significant. Juries hear those 2 framings entirely differently. Detectives subpoenaed Alvarez's phone number. It was registered to his name, matching exactly the number in the victim's deleted logs. That confirmation converted circumstantial into direct evidence. The denial became irrelevant. Alvarez was charged with sexual harassment, grand theft of an electronic device, and resisting an officer without violence. The responding officer receives an A-. The interview was thorough. The suspect contact constitutionally correct throughout. 1 deduction. Sharing the observation that Alvarez seemed nervous with the complainant before charges were filed. That kind of comment can shape how a witness recalls and reports their own perception. Small detail, real risk. Alvarez receives a D. The conduct involved deliberate sequential steps, none of which happened by accident, and a prior complaint for the same behavior removes every argument of mistake. The victim receives a B+. She arrived with screenshots, a WhatsApp profile match, and a consistent account. That preparation is what gave investigators something to work with. Most people show up with nothing. The 2-month reporting delay is the only gap. In digital crimes, evidence disappears, fast, deleted, overwritten, or distributed before law enforcement can intervene. Time is always working against the victim here. 3 takeaways. First, a birthday you share at work is not a passcode. Use something that cannot be extracted from small talk. Hidden folders are not secure, they are just harder to find until the phone is unlocked. Second, if you suspect unauthorized device access, screenshot the deleted message logs immediately. Then lock the card and call your bank before filing the police report. That sequence matters for evidence preservation. Third, for law enforcement, digital exploitation cases require subpoena authority. The patrol interview is the start, not the finish. Without the subpoena here, this case stalls at denial, and Alvarez goes back to work. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions